adobo chicken less oil. Prepare the ingredients and put them together. Slice the ginger and onion. Put it on the chicken. Put oyster sauce. And put granules seasoning. Add black pepper soy sauce. This is open measurement. Add cane vinegar about 1/2 cup in 1 kilo chicken. Cover until cooked. Put a laurel leaf and pinch of sugar. Mix well until cooked. When almost cooked, put fingered chili. And at the right thickness, put 1/4 cup cane vinegar. And cover it for a few minutes before serving. So this is my adobong manok with cane vinegar. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell bottom of my notifications so that you're always updated my new upload video.